Here I've got CUBOT Power, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. It's time to select the first tab, which is Languages and Input, and now go to the languages. Here, simply by tapping on Add a Language, you can come along with the whole list of languages. As you can see, CUBOT has plenty of them, so all of you will find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, Croatian. Here it is. Then select the region. I will pick the one for Croatia, and now simply swipe it to the first place to make this language a default one. As you can see, from now on, whole device is in Croatian. As you can see, everything has changed, both settings and home screen, everything. And now if you would like to go back to English one more time, simply find the settings icon, which is here. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list, pick the last icon, which is System, then select the first one, which is for Languages and Input, go to Languages, it's also the first tab, and now you can either slide English up one more time to make it a default, or obviously add some other language if you want to, or you can permanently delete other languages by tapping on the More icon. Now click on Remove, select those languages that you would like to delete, and tap on the bin icon, finally confirm that you would like to delete them. And that's it. As you can see, now you've got just one language in your languages preferences. So here, as you can see, you're back in English and everything works fine in this language. So that would be all. This is how you can change language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.